Hey guys, how we doing? Man, appreciate all the feedback that I've gotten from the unit so far, and I'm slowly grading you some of your homeworks and things like that. We're going to start reviewing today, and I hope this goes as well as I kind of expect. We're gonna try it and see, and then what I'm going to really need from you guys is some feedback back to me on what you guys think. This is all new to me. I've not reviewed online like this before. What I want you guys to do, and this is your task, okay? And this is the best way I know how to do it. This is what I've thought about, and this is what we're going to do. You're going to go to AP Classroom. I know it's been a while since you've been to AP Classroom. In fact, you haven't been there since the first week or the second week, first chapter. I think I assigned some things out of there. AP Classroom, log in. Hopefully you remember your account and things like that. There's some reminders there. If you got issues with trying to remember what your login is, I have your email address of what you used. And so just let me know, and I should be able to help you get in to your account. But that's what I'm going to need you to do is get into your AP Classroom account, okay? And you guys can see that I'm into mine right now. Of course, mine's going to look a whole lot different than yours. Somewhere on there, I don't know if it's under the home. I don't know if it's under progress checks. Um, I guess I probably at some point I should have looked. I guess because I think I can view a student view, but in all my buttons and plans and looking and things like that and decide on what I'm going to do, I never saw that. So you're going to have to you want to search around for it, and again, you might have to help me out on that. On hey, it was real easy to find, or hey, it wasn't real easy to find, or send me an email, something. But that's what I'm going to need again from you guys. I've assigned a progress check. You guys can see it. Chapter 6. I've only assigned parts A and parts B. Here's 0 A hour and here's first hour. Here's first hour, 0 A's. Okay, so I didn't even look at second hour yet. All right. You have from 8 a.m. until 10 p.m. to do this. Okay, that's what you have. And 10 p.m., this thing's going to lock you out and you can't do it. Okay, and I'm counting this as a grade. And so just understand that. Okay, you need to put all your homeworks on the back burner. I need you to get this done. You have from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Okay, I've even put timers on this. Now, I don't think it will lock you out. I think this is just something for you guys to see what time would be and things like that. I've allowed for 2 minutes and 25 seconds for each question. All right. So progress A, there are 12 questions. There's 12 multiple choice questions, and I've allowed for 27 minutes for you guys to do that. And then part B, there are 15 questions. And so I've allowed for 34 minutes. I rounded up a little bit on that. Again, I don't think it will cut you out, but I will get to see how long you spent on those questions. And if you spend over a couple hours on those questions, I'm going to have to dock you some points for that because I'm going to have to think that you're just not being truthful with your own answers. Okay. Um, Now you can use your books, you can use calculators, you can use whatever you need to. I prefer you not to use your buddies or your neighbors or your FaceTime or anything like that. I don't really want you to do that. You're not hurting anybody but yourself. I need you guys to review for this, okay? And these time things, they're going to kind of help you at least get into the process of getting some time on that. But the AP exam is going to allow you to use anything. So I'm going to let you use whatever you need to. But again, try not to use your buddies. These questions are jumbled up. They're not coming in the same order. And so at some point, by the time you figure all this out, you're going to have you may have some time issues. Okay. And I don't want time issues to happen. I just want to know what you know, guys. This is not going to kill your grade. It's not going to help your grade. I just need to put a grade down for it. And if you don't do it, it's going to hurt your grade. There's no doubt about that. So I need you guys to just to do these things, okay? You can start it whenever you want to. Got to be done by 10 o'clock tomorrow night. This is your school day, so I expect it to be done on that night. If you have an issue with that, let me know. Let me know before you start. Hey, I cannot get to it. I got this. Let me know. I'll work around it, okay, guys? I'm pretty darn lenient on all this stuff, but this is mostly for me. I'm hoping that this is going to help you guys get going. Okay. So, you got two different parts now. It's a part A and a part B. And again, this is just a trial run more than anything. I'm trying to see how this is going. I'll just give you a heads up. This is unit 6. All the unit 6 is proportions. And it could be one sample proportions, it could be two sample proportions, it could be means, and it could be hypothesis testing. I did not look at the questions that in depth. I just looked at what the section was, and I know unit 6 is proportions. There is an A part, there's a B part, there's a C part, and a D part. There's actually 4 parts to the multiple choice on this. I think that's going to give you the best recommendation right off the bat. Eventually, we will start practicing some pre-response questions. But right now, I want to practice the multiple choice. I know that your final test is not going to be multiple choice, but I think this is the best way to cover a lot of topics fairly quickly for quick knowledge, just to make sure you understand that. Again, this is what I've read over the AP forum. This is what a lot of the other teachers are doing, and they're thinking that this is what's going to be the best way to help you guys out. And then I'll really reassess this weekend, and after you guys kind of test the waters out right here, we'll reassess this weekend and see what else is if this is good or if it's bad or if we need to keep doing or what we need to do, guys. I mean, I'm struggling just as much as you are on the best way to prepare you for this exam. We got we got a little ways yet to do this, but I want to try to make sure. So this is proportions. It shouldn't be that strenuous knowledge-wise. It's all proportions, and it's fairly recent. All right. I'm taking a lot of your time already. Again, it starts at 8 o'clock. You don't have to start at 8 o'clock. Whenever you want to start, you start. If you need something, send me a remind, send me an email. I'll be on this computer almost all day tomorrow. I get little notifications, whatever. You let me know. If you have issues with it, okay, if I have issues with something or another, I can log on and show you, or I can move around your mouse and I can actually jump on your computer. So whatever you need, there should not be any excuses of I couldn't do it if I don't hear from you. If I hear from you tomorrow at 11 o'clock p.m. and I say I couldn't do it, I'm going to have issues with that, guys. You know, just contact, let me know. All right, let me know. We got to get through this, okay? So that's our plan. 2 progress checks tomorrow, just 2. 12 questions, 15 questions, multiple choice, okay? You will see your own results when you get done. Again, I just want to see that you've done it. I think I'm going to make this thing 27 points, and I'm probably going to give you 27 points. If you miss every single one of them, I will not give you 27 points. Okay? If you miss 1 or 2, I'll give you 27 points. If you miss 4 or 5, I'll probably give you 27 points. If you get all 27 of them right, but it took you 2 hours, I probably will not give you 27 points. Kind of understand what's happening. Okay, guys? I'm not looking for perfection. I'm wanting to look what you know. And if you guys knock this out of the water, then I know there's nothing I need to spend any time on with proportions. You guys got it down. All right. So I appreciate you guys paying attention. Again, 10 o'clock tomorrow night, it shuts off. You will not be able to do it after 10 o'clock. You can't start till 8 o'clock in the morning. So that's your time frame. You got 27 minutes to do the first one, and it tells you right up here. I believe it keeps a timer for you. You got 34 minutes for the second one. Log into AP Classroom, log into your class, and you ought to see progress Unit 6. Now, you might see some Unit 3 and Unit 1 stuff. Unit 1 and Unit 3s, okay? I did that earlier in the year. I don't want you to do those, okay? I just want you to do the Unit 6. Unit 6, okay? Love you guys, man. Let me know anything you need, okay? Let me know anything you need. If you guys get done with this and you still have time to waste and you have prior homework assignments, knock those out. Knock those out. I'll get an email saying, hey, so-and-so turned in lesson 11.2 or so-and-so turned in 9.8. I don't care what chapter. If you got a missing assignment and you want to go back and do it, go back and do it. Again, make sure it looks like it's been done, not looks like it's been copied. Okay, guys, don't mess with me on that. Just do what you're supposed to do. All right, you guys know what you're supposed to do. You guys are all good guys, and you know what you're supposed to do. So just do it. We're to the point of the year now, it's all on you. It really is. It's on you guys. I'm here for you, but it's on you. It's how you want to be able to survive on this. All right. All right. I'm done, guys. I think this is going to be your attendance. So no need for a Google form today. This is going to be your attendance. Yeah, it's going to be your attendance. I'll make a Google form for Friday, and we'll discuss that or something and on how this is working for you, if you will. Okay, guys? All right. Thanks so much. See ya. I hope. Yep. Stop.